Hi, folks. How are you all doing? So, I have a great position, a direct position with the state of Maryland. The Maryland Department of Transportation, State Highway Administration is looking for a techie that has Microsoft Power Apps experience. So, let's get right into the position. This is a really great one, and they're looking to hire someone ASAP. So, here we go. Let's get into it. So this position is for a Microsoft Power Apps developer. It is a hybrid position. They're looking for someone to work from home for 3 days and work on site in Baltimore, Maryland for 2 days. The rate is $65 an hour. The work location, in the beginning, for the first 2 weeks of work, you will be on site working in Baltimore, Maryland, just to get up to speed on what's expected of you. And after that 2 weeks of beginner period, you will resume into your hybrid work. So again, it's 3 days from home and 2 days on site. Not bad for those of you who are local to the Baltimore, Maryland location. All right. They want someone who lives within 4 hour commute time. Again, just in case there's an emergency or in scheduled time, they want someone who can quickly commute to the office. And trust me, that rarely happens. But living locally definitely would work for this particular position, especially because it's hybrid. So the duties, they're looking for this Power Apps developer to work on the SHA Business Intelligence team. You'll be working on various projects, helping them to perform various MS Power Platform, Power Apps application development tasks. You'll work on projects developing new SHA applications, new transportation type alternative applications. If you work with Power Apps, this is pretty straightforward. You'll work with the client over there to get the requirements of the type of dashboard they need, and you'll be developing those types of things, those types of applications you can use in Microsoft Power Apps. So needless to say, Power Apps is written all over this job description. So you definitely need to be skilled in the use of Power Apps, Microsoft Power Apps. And you need to be a developer, someone who can program and develop an application or dashboard using Microsoft Power Apps. Technical requirements, they definitely want you to have that build configuration, troubleshooting experience using Power Apps, certification in Power Apps. If you have that, that is a plus. Excellent verbal and written communications, obviously, because you'll be writing down requirements and from your meetings with clients. You'll need to understand the requirements. You'll need to be able to digest those and develop an app that is in line with what they're asking of you. Some of the preferred experience, if you have Power Platform Center of Excellence, preferred experience in Power Platform administration, a good experience in development of business process and approval flows, working in relational databases such as Azure SQL, as well as Azure Data Lake, file systems, and Power Apps. They want you to also have good experience in integrating Power Apps with multiple sources such as OData Service and Azure SQL Database, as well as common data services using FlowLogic apps. Another area of experience they're looking for is someone who has experience in SharePoint and custom applications. I think this developer will be responsible for really developing apps, mostly in Power Apps, and then, for some custom work in SharePoint. So they definitely are looking for that as well. Some additional experience, if you have experience in C, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, REST, and OData, these are also very good experience to have on your resume. They obviously want someone who's a team player because you'll be working with other developers and working with business analysts, testers, your project managers, all that good stuff. So someone who's a team player and passionate about championing the team to refactor and improve the quality of software products is what they're looking for. And so, as for education, they want someone with a bachelor's degree from an accredited college or university with a major in computer science, information systems, engineering, business, or other related scientific or technical discipline. A master's degree is preferred. If you have one, it is preferred, not required. So general experience, just to sum it up, you do need 7 years of experience as a Microsoft Power Apps developer, and they want that specialized experience of 5 years using Microsoft Power Apps platform and 2 years of SharePoint developer or .NET development experience. You can substitute your 2 years of 2 years of .NET or SharePoint for 2 years of Microsoft Power Apps. Okay, so that is the position. I'm going to copy and paste this right in the description of this video, so you'll have access to it. You'll also see where you can submit your resume. Do include your contact information when you're submitting this resume, your email and phone number, so you can be easily accessed for an interview. Thank you so much. If you're interested in this, definitely hop on this between today and this weekend. They're actively recruiting and need to bring someone on board ASAP. All right, that's it for today, guys. Enjoy. Take care. Bye-bye.